Hey everybody, it's Mike with Detroit Grooming Company, and I got a special video for you today just to talk about how to use these amazing butters that we have. We have 6 total scents here, but all the bases are the same, so they're based on plant power. They're 100% all natural base in each one of these butters, and each one does a little something in terms of heavy lifting, making your hair softer, taking care of your skin, making sure that it's well nourished. So let's go over how to use our butters. So I'm going to use black, which is one of my favorites. It's a cedarwood amber scent. You want to put your finger in the butter and push away, kind of like a bulldozer. Place the butter in the palm of your hand and emulsify, warming it up and spreading it evenly throughout your hand so you can apply it better to your face. Now with the excess, you can go ahead and spread that on the other parts of your body. It's great for hair and skin everywhere, and most of us have one or the other or both. So after you've applied it to your face and you're feeling and smelling much better, you'll want to use a brush to evenly distribute the product throughout the beard hair and get it down to the skin. Because all those same beneficial ingredients that help soften your hair and nourish it are also great for your skin as well. So you'll use a brush. Boar bristle is best. If you like to style with a comb, you could use a peachwood comb. These are very gentle on the hair and in the skin. So, and lastly, another option you might want to consider is our oxhorn combs. So these guys are great. They're made out of the same stuff your hair is made out of, so they're the most gentle. So just run that comb right through, style as desired, and you're out the door looking fresh and new. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social channels at Detroit Grooming, of course Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And check us out here on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel to get more how-to videos and product updates. We'll see you next time.